Hey everyone, so this is Sunil. I used to create a lot of content back then in 2017, content in the form of writing articles, content in the form of creating videos. But due to some professional and personal reasons, I had to take a pause. But I am happy that I'm back, and what I'm trying to do here is do an experiment on creating a podcast where I just speak because it's easy and I see that the world has moved a lot. Back then in 2017, the internet was not as freely and easily accessible as it is right now. And I think I can leverage this thing, and obviously, you people are more comfortable in consuming a variety of content, podcasts being one of them. And I see an inherent ease in creating podcasts in which I can be at any place of my comfort. I could be even in my bed and still creating content for you people. And what can be more exciting is that you people ask me the question. You ask me the question and I'll answer. I'll try to answer it, and that way I'll be getting easy ideas, the thoughts about what to create the content on. So you people ask me the question, I'll be answering it. Obviously, there will be a series as well going on in parallel, in which I'll be talking about certain topics. Like the first will be about microbiome. So we'll be talking about certain topics of significance in the current state of the art. Those will create the thematic line of the podcast, and then, as I said, there will be another series of podcasts in which I'll be specifically answering your questions. You can post your questions in the comment. We'll come up with a website as well for your ease, in which you can post your questions. The easy thing would obviously be that you post your questions in the comments. I'll go through them and I'll selectively try to answer as much as I can in the next series of podcast. The unique questions at least. So that seems to be a good idea to me, and also a good way to get back into this community service, if we have to say. It is a service to myself as well, in which I feel more engaged, more creative, more happy, being of some help to the people. And let's say if we can do something once again, there's never a bad time to try again. And I'm just trying to try again to get in touch with you people once again, and I hope this turns out to be an exciting experience for both of us, for me and for you. And please feel free to ask me any spectrum of questions, and I'll be more than happy to be of some help. Yes, that's all it will be from the podcast 1, which was more about just introducing this idea of creating a podcast series. So this is Sunil, excited to be back. Thank you, take care.